It's a general way to describe how hormones function, so I'm going to describe their mechanisms. So hormones alter membrane permeability. They bind onto receptor proteins which cause transmembrane channel proteins to open, allowing the influx of certain molecules into the cell. Another way is by binding activated intracellular enzymes. So the hormone in this case is known as the first messenger. The hormone binds to the receptor and forms the hormone receptor complex. This complex activates a certain enzyme in the cell which causes the formation of another substance, which is called a second messenger. The second messenger is what causes the effect of the hormone in the cell. The third way is by acting on a gene, and this is how steroid and thyroid hormones work. They enter the cell, bind to a receptor, forming the hormone receptor complex, and then the complex binds with DNA, which increases the transcription of mRNA. So mRNA moves out of the nucleus of the cell and goes to the ribosomes and activates them. We then have the production of specific proteins because of this, all initially caused by the hormone.